All right, so last time we started building a workshop shed. As the floor framing was concluded, we covered it with some 15 millimeters plywood sheets. Once it was laid out and ready, we stabilized the floor with shims so it sits firm on the stone footings. After that, we started working on the first wall. My dad was manning the cutting station, and according to my explicit cut list, all parts were cut precisely, and the assembly could start. As this wall will stand right against the boundary wall, and as we won't have access to the backside of it once it stands up, we covered it with sheathing before lifting it, attached a sealing membrane adhesive tape to all the seams of the plywood, and then raised the wall vertically. We attached it to the floor base, and it was ready. The weather was about to take a turn for the worse, and strong winds and rain were expected over the next few days. So my dad took the initiative to cover all of the working area with plastic wraps, as well as everything that was already built and all the wood beams waiting to be used. Next, we will render the other small wall that will go against a short section of the retaining wall and a short wall with the window. For that, we will first get rid of the hose and take care of the plumbing and installation infrastructure. Stay tuned.